Welcome pool players to the 8th episode. In this episode, we'll attack an 18-degree cut, center of the top ball. Let's get started.
Alrighty guys. Okay, so we covered the top of the top ball, which is the 10 ball in this case. Let's go to the center of the 10 ball. So the ghost ball is lined up to the center of the 10. We're lined up with 6/8. Now this one I need to use a half tip of draw. So this is a slightly below center draw stroke. And I want to hit this good in full follow through, okay?
Okay, as you can see with the slow motion, this rack pretty much exploded after impact, so it should be an easier run than most of the racks if I play it wisely.
All right, pretty good result there. I've got a shot in the 10 now. Play the 14 and then the 15, get rid of the 9-15 congestion. Also play the pocket for the 7 by getting rid of the 14 and good pocket for the 1. Okay, I'll play the 15 softly. Position on the 9. Don't want to get straight. Good. I'd like to get rid of the 11 or the 4 next. I came a little far, guys. So I have to decide if I want to hold on to the 1-ball break shot with the 5-ball key ball, or if I want to bow out and use the 6 or something else. I really wanted to get in here. I overhit that shot pretty badly. I could use the 5 to get back in shape. I'm going to do that. I'm going to cut the 5 in, a little bit of center left. I'm going to try to go into the 2-ball. We'll see what happens. That's what happens when you make a mistake like I did with that position on the last shot. Good thing is all those balls go in this left corner pocket, so I just need to get in that position. I'm going to try to hit the 8 here. Jacked up, but I can hit the 2 in here. Let's see what I got on this 8-ball, see if it's not bad, guys. I'm gonna play this 4, get a little better position. Here. I can play the 2, the 12, or the 6. I kind of prefer getting rid of the internal balls, which would be the 12 ball. Let's eliminate the 12. Got on the 6 ball. The 7, or I can use it as a pivot ball. I kind of prefer to use it as a pivot ball. Play 11, I'm going to miss the 2, draw back. 8 up table. Stop shot. Play the 7, go to the rail, not for the 1. So 2, 8, 7, 1. Pretty square shape on the 1 here.
Guys, thank you again for joining me in this journey. This is a great exercise that I love doing when I want to practice straight pull. It gives me some different scenarios. I get to work out some different problem solving, work on the break shot. Always a fun way to practice. But I appreciate your views. I appreciate your comments. I appreciate your time and your sharing. Please reach out to me privately if you guys want to talk, or you can reach out to me in the comment section if you don't mind it being public. I have also been putting most of this content on the YouTube channel called TheBilliardists with an S. So if you guys are interested in seeing it, faster or anything of that nature, you can do that on YouTube. Be my guest. Again, guys, I hope you have a great evening or day, depending on where you are, and I'll see you at the next angle.